Hey guys, it's Distance Day. I'm back. You already know. And today I'm finally getting this eyebrow tutorial out for you guys. Literally, lately I've been having so many people asking me about how I do my eyebrows. What do I use to do my eyebrows? And I kind of finally want to set the record straight. So I'm coming on here and I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. So first of all, I do want to start off by saying that I am in cosmetology school. I have not gotten my master's yet. I will be graduating this November, so hey, what's up? I'm ready. So I haven't gotten my license yet. I have been doing makeup for a little while, and I'm going to let y'all know right now, this is not the only way to do your eyebrows. This is my way. The way that I found is best for me. So as you guys can see, I am going in with some concealer. And most of the time, what I usually see on eyebrow tutorials is they do the eyebrow first, then they put the concealer. But over time, I've just found that it's easier for me to do concealer first, then draw my eyebrow on. So what I do is I go underneath my eyebrow with the concealer first. And of course, you have to brush the hair back away, not away from your face, but the way that the hair is supposed to lay. So I go in with the concealer first, and I usually start with my right eyebrow, and I usually do the line on the bottom. Like my base. First, I draw a clear and precise line. It doesn't have to go all the way. I usually like to go as far as I can, but most of the times, I usually just draw a nice long line. Let me give you a close up there. What's up, eyeball? So yeah, I get in there, and then I go on top. I go on top after I go on bottom. So after I draw my line on bottom, then I go on top and I draw a clear and precise line, basically showing like, okay, where do I want my arc to kind of round out? But your arc is on the bottom of your eyebrow. It's not on top. But yeah, so I do the line on bottom. On both sides, actually. And the line on the left side, or the line on the right side first. Then I do the top line on the right side. Then I go and I do the left one. So basically, I just draw me a nice outline for my eyebrows, so that it's easy for me to just go in after. You see that? Nice, clean, long strokes. Just some nice, clean, long strokes. That's all you need. Nice, clean, long strokes. You don't have to be so heavy-handed. Like, this is not shading in a coloring book. Like, this is more like painting, nice long strokes. And so basically another thing I do, as you can see here, to make sure that my eyebrows are aligned and one's not higher than the other, I get my pencil or a line, whether it's a makeup brush or whatever, and I just, kind of go from one tip to the other and see, okay, are these stopping about the same place? Because I don't want one eyebrow to be longer than the other, and I don't want one eyebrow to be shorter than the other. Because even though you don't notice, other people can notice. And I don't know, sometimes I feel like one eye is like higher than the other. I don't know. But yeah, just bear with me. So then after that, after we make sure our eyebrows are aligned, I go and I shade it in. I shade in the eyebrow. Like I said, nice long strokes here. And this is where you can see where my microablation, or where my microablation kicks in and where my hair actually stops. So as you can see here, Shan does not have that much eyebrow hair. I really don't. And I don't have to make my eyebrows this thick. I really like them this thick, but usually when I'm like going out or trying to go for like a more like modest, sleek look, they're usually skinnier. But this is my makeup everyday bushy eyebrow look, you feel me? But as you can see from the title. And it took me a long time to figure out how to do my eyebrows. So now you can see that Anastasia Dipbrow in action, you feel me? Now you can see it in action. Like when you first put it on, it looks kind of chunky, like, but you gotta start blending it out a little bit. So then after I shade it in and try to blend it out a little bit, I go back in with a little bit more concealer on my brush and I just clean up that bottom line. I make sure that when I was drawing my line and when I was cleaning or filling it in, nothing fell and nothing smudged. And I make sure that tip is nice and sleek too. You feel me? Go back in on the other side. Clean it up. And as you can see, my eyebrows are not clean in this video. I did not shave my eyebrows before I did this video, which is what I need to do. But yeah, I'm just showing you my makeup every day right before school. You feel me? Throwing some eyebrows on. Look. It's sleek though. It's sleek. It gets the job done. Boom. We're going to go on top. But this is where it's tedious. I know y'all saw me shaking. You got to have a steady hand on this one. So, yeah. I just take it in. And I don't like to be too heavy near the inside of my brow because I just don't want to mess up. I just don't want to mess anything up when I'm trying to blend that out. Because y'all know that is the hardest part. Trying to blend that eyebrow in the center. So yeah, I go in on the top and I sleek it out. Boom. Just like that. Sleek it out. And like I said, painting nice long strokes. Nothing too crazy. Boom. We going on the other side. Nice long strokes. Nice long strokes. Boom. Straight like that. Yeah, then I go in on the inside and I clean up the inside. Make sure my eyebrows, like, one's not longer than the other on the inside, as well as the tail. Then I go in and I'm trying to perfect that blend on the inside, which is the hardest part. Sometimes I use my little brush, that little brush, and it does work. Like, it does get the job done, but I feel like that's for, like, thicker product. Because I feel like when I put too much, on the inside, that's when I have to use that brush. But sometimes, like you're going to see, I switch to just the other end of my Anastasia eyebrow brush. So yeah, this is me here trying to fix it up because it just wasn't working. The other brush just wasn't working. So sometimes you gotta switch it up. And like I said, guys, this has taken me a long time to even get to this point. This isn't even my best work. This is makeup every day. I don't even, what time was it? It was probably like midnight when I filmed this video, okay? I was just trying to get this out here because people have been asking about it. I was up. I was like, bro, I might as well film this video. So, yeah, this is my finished eyebrow look. This is it. Makeup every day. What's up, guys? Okay, so I obviously did the rest of my makeup off camera, but as you can see, this is the finished look. Simple, sleek, you feel me? Simple and sleek. You guys, like I said in the video, my eyebrows are microbladed, but the microblation or the tint has faded. It didn't last for as long as she said it was gonna last. But, and also, like I said in the video, it has taken me a long time to get here. Like, literally. I'm not gonna lie, it's not as easy as it looks. But with enough practice and enough patience and enough time, you will get it. So before my camera runs out of power, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you tune in to my next video.